guess what? I didn't drive my car for 4 days. Then I came back in, started it up, and this is what I get. Yep, here we go. That's all because of the faulty ABS sensor. So we have a lot to do in today's video. We're going to wash the car, we have to fix this issue. We'll try to clear this code first, but I guess we have to replace the ABS sensor, so let's get to it. Yeah, I know. Alright, let's give it a quick wash. Let's do it. Right, as you can see, it's officially snowing, so we have to be careful and we have to fix this issue ASAP, because I have no ABS and I have no traction control, which is no bueno. We're currently on the way to my friend's shop. We're going to hook it up to the computer to see which ABS sensor is faulty, and hopefully he will also have time to replace it today, so stay tuned and I'll see you when we get to his shop. So we're at my friend's place, it's his garage, so let's hook it up and see if we can reset this ABS sensor nonsense. Catch you guys in a minute. Bam! As you can see, problem solved. All we had to do was to reset the computer, so that was pretty easy. 5 minutes and it's all done. So as you can see, no check engine lights, no warning lights, no ABS lights, nothing like that. So okay, hit it.